Hello friends, it's Mrs. Mozingo. As you can hear, I have a little bit of a cold. The flowers smell wonderful, but they are not loving me. I thought we could do some preschool online and go through our circle time together. So normally we say we hang up our jackets and book bags and sit on the carpet, but today we won't be able to do that. But let's go ahead and stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. Right hand on our heart, eyes on the flag, and we say, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Same hand goes to our side and we say, I am somebody. I will succeed. In school and life, I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECEC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECEC, we will reach our dreams. Let's take a look at our calendar. Today is, I moved my whole screen. The 16th day of March. Let's sing our Days of the Week song to figure out what day of the week it is. Are you ready? Here we go. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Clap, clap. Days of the week. Snap, snap. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Clap, clap. Let me hear you. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Clap, clap. Days of the week. Snap, snap. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Clap, clap. And today is the 16th, so that means it is a Monday, March 16th, 2020. Tomorrow we have our little leprechaun here because it is St. Patrick's Day tomorrow. Keep an eye out for those sneaky leprechauns. They do all kinds of tricks, including changing our milk green, maybe hiding our shoe or our favorite toy, all kinds of silly things that leprechaun can do. We don't have school today, and we won't have it for the next 2 weeks, which means we won't see each other until down here. Now, I'm pretty sure this is Rosalind's birthday, so we'll see each other after Rosalind's birthday. What kind of weather do we have outside today? Is it sunny, sunny with clouds, cloudy, rainy, windy, or snowy? It's definitely not snowy because it's too warm. I hear some sun with clouds, so I'm going to go ahead and put that up there. What kind of weather are we going to have tomorrow? Let's make a prediction, and we'll put it into our prediction square. What kind of weather do you think we're going to have tomorrow? Oh, I hear someone saying sunny. I hope so. Let's put that into our prediction square. All right, we're going to say our alphabet together. Are we ready? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now let's count to 20. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, now we're going to count backwards from 10. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Today I'd like you to say the alphabet one more time to somebody. And I'd like you to count backwards from 10 for somebody. So you can count backwards for mommy and daddy. Maybe count and say the alphabet with a sister or brother. Your choice, but I'd like you to practice those things today. All right, we're looking for a color. I'm looking for the color yellow. Who is yellow up here? Oh, I see her. There's Joy. Joy is yellow. How about green? Where's green? There she is. It's disgust. She is the color green. Whoops. How about a shape? Let's find the rhombus or diamond. You see the rhombus or diamond? Yep, here it is. What color is that rhombus or diamond? Red, that's correct. How about an octagon? Where's the octagon? It's right here. It is next to the diamond. And what color is our octagon? Purple. Very good. Our nursery rhyme this week is a tisket, a tasket. Let's say it together. A tisket, a tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it. I dropped it, I dropped it, and on the way I dropped it. A little boy, he picked it up and put it in his pocket. Let's watch our video.
So they call a trainer a sneaker, a jumper a sweater, and a few minutes a quibby. A tisket, a tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it. Dropped it, dropped it, yes, on the way I dropped it. A little boy picked it up and put it in his pocket. A tisket, a tasket, green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it. I dropped it, I dropped it, and on the way I dropped it. A little girl picked it up and put it in her pocket. A tisket, a tasket, I lost my yellow basket. I dropped it, dropped it, now won't you help me find it? My basket, my green and yellow basket, my green and yellow basket. Now won't you help me find it? Won't you help me find it? Won't you help me find it? Did I drop?
All right. What is this coin right here? It is a penny. And a penny is different than the other coins because it is brown. What about this one? What is this? A dime. Very nice. And this one is a quarter. Excellent. And this is a nickel. Super. All right, our new number this week is the number 8. And if we weren't sure, we could count our squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 squares. What number is this? 1. This one? 7. How about this? 6. This one? 4. This is 3. How about this one? 2. This? 5. All right, our letter this week is the letter M. M says, like something tastes good. Can you say the sound for M? All right, now when we say the sound, we rub our tummies. Can you rub your tummy and say the sound at the same time? Mmm. Very good. Our different pictures we have up here. Who is this? Moana. She starts with the letter M. Here we have Mickey Mouse and Captain Marvel. All have the letter M in their names. All right, we're going to build the letter M today. Let me hear you singing. Start your letters at the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Let me hear ya. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Here we go. No, it's the bottom. No, it's the middle. It's the top. It's the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Here we go, Oz. Reach up. Way up. Is that the top? Yes, it's the top. Reach out and touch the top. Here we go. Going down. Reach down. Way down. Is that the bottom? Yes, it's the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. Count with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Where do you start your letters at the top? Let me hear Oz. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Here we go, going down. No, it's the bottom. Shake it. Is this the top? It's the top. Do you start your letters at the top? Very good, friends. All right, we're making the letter M today. We have 4 big lines, but 2 of those are going to be made into slides. So let's start off with our big line down under Mr. Matt's smiling face. So we have our big line down. Now we're going to grab a slide. We're going to have a slide down. If I can grab that slide. There it is. Now we have a big slide down. Now we have a big slide up. And now we have another big line down. So my turn. Hands in lap. Listening ears on. Inside voices off. My turn. Big line down. Frog jump up. Big slide down. Big slide up. Big line down. One more time. My turn. Hands in lap. Inside voices off. Listening ears are on. My turn. Big line down. Frog jump up. Big slide down. Big slide up. Big line down. Ready? Do it with me. Fingers at the... That's right, top. Say it with me. Big line down. Frog jump up. Big slide down. Big slide up. Big line down. Excellent job, friends. You did a wonderful job on our circle time. We're going to have some music and stories. So come back and listen to a story about St. Patrick's Day. And also, we'll sing some songs. Talk to you soon. Bye.